Hello everyone, welcome to Master Rover. In Year 5, Lesson 5, Chapter 2, we will talk about volume of a cuboid. Cuboids are very common in our daily life. Question: is there any difference between cube and cuboid? A cube has 6 faces. They are identical squares. A cuboid also has 6 faces. However, they are not all identical to each other. Top face and bottom face are opposite to each other. They are identical to each other. Right face and left face are opposite to each other. They are identical to each other. Front face and back face are opposite to each other. They are identical to each other. So, for a cuboid, only opposite faces are identical to each other. A cube has 12 edges. They are equal in length. A cuboid also has 12 edges. However, they are not all equal in length. Side 1, 2, 3, and 4 are equal in length. Why? For the top face, it is a rectangle. Side 1 and side 2 are opposite to each other, so they are equal in length. For the back face, it is a rectangle. Side 2 and side 3 are opposite to each other, so they are equal in length. For the bottom face, it is a rectangle. Side 3 and side 4 are opposite to each other, so they are equal in length. At last, for the front face, it is a rectangle. Side 4 and side 1 are opposite to each other, so they are equal in length. Let's say in group 1, we have side 1, 2, 3, and 4. They are equal in length. For the same reason, in group 2, we have side 5, 6, 7, and 8. They are equal in length. At last, we have group 3, side 9, 10, 11, and 12. They are equal in length. Nice. Volume of a cuboid. If we say this is the length, this is the width, and this is the height. Volume of a cuboid equals to length times width times height. I would say volume of a cuboid equals to area of a face times the height on this face. Practice. Here's a cuboid. Length is 4 centimeters. Width is 2 centimeters. Meanwhile, the volume of the cuboid is 96 cubic centimeters. So, what is the height of the cuboid? volume of a cuboid equals to length times width, and then times height, which means 96 equals to 8 times h. So h equals to 96 divided by 8. (96) divided by 8. 1 times 8 equals to 8. 9 minus 8 equals to 1. Now we have 16. 2 times 8 equals to 16. 16 minus 16 equals to 0. So height is 12 centimeters. Wonderful. That's all for Chapter 2, Volume of a Cuboid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. See you.